Hey guys, it's Barry with Barry Living Zones Digital Supremacy Lifestyle. So in this video we're going to talk about how to make money online here in the UK. Now in this specific video I'm going to talk about how to make money online with CPA Marketing as an affiliate marketing method to make money. So if you haven't been on the channel before, if you hit subscribe and hit the notification bell and you'll be notified of future videos that come out on a daily basis. I'm day 6 into 365 videos this year. I will be doing a video every day, so I'm just about to show you an explainer video to show you exactly what affiliate marketing and CPA marketing is all about, and then I'll jump on the laptop.
A passive income. Are you aware it is possible to achieve this without your own products or website, and it can be done in your spare time using affiliate CPA marketing? CPA marketing, cost per action, is an easy way to make money online. You are basically getting paid to generate leads to other people's websites, products or services where those visitors take a specific action when they reach the desired destination. For example, the action could be getting a website visitor to click on a particular link, complete an online sign-up form for a free offer, fill in a contact request form, sign up for a newsletter, or register to receive a free sample or product information. Once the visitor completes the desired action, you get paid. Affiliate marketing is a business model that can work for anyone, regardless of age, gender, culture, or your circumstances. It is not complicated and only takes a couple of hours a week, in your spare time, to run. And it virtually runs on autopilot once it is set up properly. No need for any products of your own, no need for a website of your own, no need for any existing customers, no need for any money in the bank for advertising, no need for any prior experience or qualifications. Plus, you can run an affiliate marketing business from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. What to expect from this course? This comprehensive training course will give you the exact step-by-step formula used by your instructor Barry, which enabled him to leave his day job just 6 months after launching his affiliate marketing business. You can approach this course as a complete beginner, and at the end of the course, you will be armed with the expertise you need to change your life completely. You will also learn how to get accepted by CPA networks and launch your very own CPA affiliate business to start making $500 to $2,500 plus passively each month from home.
Here we've jumped onto the laptop, and if you haven't been on the channel before, obviously if you click the like, subscribe and all that kind of stuff, you will see that I've got a lot of videos out there that are the make money online niche, and I'm going to be focusing on the rest of January. I'm actually going to be focusing on how to make money online in the UK, because it's a massive market, and there's a few other people, because of the trading in dollars and the exchange rate isn't that good. I just think it's the fact that there's not a lot of companies actually promoting pounds and pence, so it kind of puts people off and they think that it's scams, and it's kind of got a bad name, but it doesn't really have to be like that. So I'm going to take over the next couple of days, and probably next week and a bit actually, so about 7 or 8 videos that's going to be specific to making money online in the UK. And as I say, this first one is all about affiliate marketing and CPA marketing in general. So basically what we'll do is we'll jump over to Max Bounty. Max Bounty is probably the biggest affiliate site out there that I would recommend, purely for the fact that, it is an Australian based company. It does have UK only offers. Now this is a new account that I just set up yesterday for this. So if you put in UK, so when you sign up to it, if you click the link that's in the description of this video, if you're interested in Max Bounty, if you use my link to actually get signed up, it will make sure that I can get in touch with Kate, and it speeds the whole process up, because otherwise if you're brand new to Max Bounty, it can kind of drag on and you don't get signed up as quick. But if you click the link, I'll make sure that Kate, who's my actual affiliate manager within the business, I'll make sure that she actually gets you signed up pretty quick. So if you click the link that's in the description of this video on YouTube, to make sure that you get signed up. Okay, so basically once you get signed up and once you're in, if you just go into the top right hand corner, if you type in UK, and then what that does is it brings up all the products and all the companies that are looking to actually get leads in the UK market. So you can go down and you can see them: Unique Rewards, Beauty, World of Worship. So there's all sorts of different types of companies, and the CPA rate. So what the CPA rate is the cost per acquisition. So you see that there's some of them here, 520, 65, 90, 190 dollars. Now remember, this will be in Australian dollars because it is an Australian company. So you basically want to try, and the easiest way to actually do it, I'm actually going to show you one of the ways that I'm actually advertising just now to get leads for this brand new program. As you see up the top there, I made $1.49 this morning. So I actually set up this new campaign where it was KFC. And KFC are actually advertising to basically get people to do secret shopping, to actually review KFC shops. So what you do is you go and you type in KFC. Now I will do another video exactly showing you how I've been doing this, but for this I'm just going to speed up. So as you can see, KFC Mystery Diner, so you can actually apply to be a mystery diner within KFC network, and it is, as you can see here, National Consumer Review KFC UK. So it is the UK. Now they're paying $1.80 per lead. That's around about £1.50 per lead. Now that's probably just to get the email address. So as soon as someone puts in their email address, you get paid £1.50. Now if you do the right type of advertising, so if you do advertising and your cost per click, okay, your cost per the advert, or if you've got a big social media following and you pump it out there and put the link on social media, there's lots of different ways that you can actually advertise. And basically, you don't have to do any sales. So let's talk about the benefits. Okay, the benefits of CPA marketing, first of all, is you don't need a huge investment to get started. You don't need any money really to get started. If you've got a social media account, if you've got a social media following, if you know how to actually work social media properly, you don't need a lot of money to invest with CPA marketing. You don't need to do any face-to-face selling. And that's one of the good things about CPA marketing. You don't have to phone anybody up and try and get a sale. You don't need to pay for any offices, any staff, any business overheads. So that's another great way of starting a sort of a low-cost business. Next thing is you don't need to create or rank websites, because the CPA network actually creates the websites for you. I mean, the companies that are actually looking for the leads, that are paying you for people to actually get the leads for them, they do all the website stuff. So you don't have to do any of that. You don't need to create any products. You don't need to wait for people to actually purchase the item. Now, that's one of the benefits. You don't actually need to make a sale. Okay, once they get the lead, they'll actually put them into the system, and they'll have an email follow-up system, or with the likes of the KFC, they'll obviously have some kind of online questionnaire thing for people to apply to be a KFC review. So a mystery shopper. They're basically mystery shopping at KFC. So if you want free KFC, it's probably one of the ones that you actually want to click. So I might actually drop the link to that if you're interested in just being a mystery shopper for KFC. Obviously you get paid for it. I don't know how they actually do it with KFC. But anyway, I digress. So the best of all, you don't actually need any experience to actually be a CPA marketer, to be an affiliate marketer. There is no get rich quick scheme on this. As you can see, it's $1.80 per lead, which is roughly about £1.50 with the conversion rate. So you do the math yourself. You can get 100 sign-ups in a day, made $180. So it's all a numbers game. And once you understand that CPA marketing is actually a numbers game, that's when you actually start to make some money. So if you want to be on the make money online niche that actually pays a bit more and is a bit more regular, and there is a proper business that you can actually set up with CPA marketing that's at the make money online niche and targeting people in tier 1 countries like America, Canada, United States, and Australia. So that network is called traffic domination. So basically what this is it's companies and products that are actually advertising for to make money online programs. And one of the good ones is actually, there's an English guy that I'm going to pick out, George Wickens. He's got a fantastic opportunity where he's paying you actually $30 CPA for just getting people to actually sign up. So you're not having to make any sales, you're not having to build funnels, you're not having to purchase click funnels. You just advertise George's program and you get paid $30 for every person that actually puts in their email address. So the one that I like probably the best, you've got Warrior Plus, which is more an affiliate marketing rather than CPA marketing, but traffic domination, if you want to stick with purely English people, and people from the UK. Traffic Domination is built by a guy called Wayne Crowe. Wayne is down in England. He has built this absolutely fantastic little CPA network where, let's jump on another English guy, which is George Wickens, and let's have a look at his offer. And add source, add creative, the landing page. So then if you click on here, you actually see the landing page. So basically you're sending traffic, you're sending people that are actually looking for how to make money online, a bit like yourself, sending them to this link. And as soon as they actually click on the link and stick in their email address, as soon as they put in their email address, you basically get paid $30. And the reason that he does it in dollars is because he's targeting the American market. He knows where the money is, so he's built a program that actually targets where the biggest affiliate marketing market is. So, do you currently have an online business? Yes, no. So he's obviously got a funnel that actually gets them to come into the system, and as soon as they stick in their email through the end of that, that's when you actually get paid. So there's lots of different systems like that. If you wanted to then go down the road to actually build, get your own email list, there's ways that you can do it. You can do it with MailChimp to basically get your email address, but MailChimp aren't that clever. They aren't that good with, MailChimp is free and it's a good way to start, but it's not a good way to actually send a lot of CPA network traffic out. If you want to go the likes of GetResponse, I'll put a link in the description of this video for GetResponse. That's a good one that I use, and it shows you the good thing about that is when you send out emails, it shows you them actually going out globally, and when they open up, it shows you the world map, and it shows you where your emails are actually getting opened up throughout the world. So, how can you actually make money with CPA marketing? It's basically just sending out emails. It's setting up a social media. It's getting people encouraged and engaged in your social media following. Look at TikTok. TikTok is a really easy way to get a lot of people actually following you. There's people starting up a TikTok account, and within 5-6 weeks they've got 10,000 followers. If you've got 10,000 people following you, if you then create up a couple of videos saying, yeah, I want a KFC. I want to go into KFC, for instance. Do a video saying, yeah, you want a free KFC. If you want to be a secret shopper for KFC, boom, grab the link. You would then send them to either your YouTube page or your Instagram page, and you could have the link in your Instagram, say for instance, and then they click on the link and it takes them through to this page. So it's a really easy way for you to make money online in the UK. If this video has been of any use, and if you think that CPA marketing is something you actually want to find out a bit more about, I will drop a link that actually takes you through to a free online course. That basically, it's a free marketing course, and it takes you through the journey of building your own funnels. If you want to build your own funnel, and it gets a bit more in depth. If you're a beginner, yeah, it's fine just putting your links on social media and trying to make some money. But if you really want to start a proper online business in 2020, if you really want to make money online in the UK in 2020, I suggest that you actually look into it a bit deeper, go through the free training that I've got in the link in the description, and then there's always the 30-day email hack, which is all about building a CPA marketing list. It's all about building an email list that actually pays you money on an ongoing basis, and that's the easiest way to actually get up to a couple of £1,000 per month. Now, what that does is basically it shows you how to do your email autoresponders. It shows you how to actually build your list. It shows you how to get accepted into affiliate networks. Like if I said, if you want to join with Max Bounty or if you want to join with Traffic Domination, I will put the links in there. And because they're coming through me, and I know Wayne personally, and my affiliate manager Kate over at Max Bounty, that'll make sure that you actually get signed up quicker, and it stops the whole process. Because when people new into the industry are trying to get signed up, there's a lot of spam email accounts out there, so they're really wary about who they're signing up, so that they're not just sending out rubbish traffic to these links. So if you want to find out more about how to monetize your site, how to drive traffic, how to use affiliate offers using Facebook, how to continuously earn income on a monthly going basis, and how to invest as little as an hour a day. It only takes, if you're working it during the day, and if you want to just earn that little bit extra income, it's a fantastic way to just earn an extra £200, £300, £400, £1,000 a month. What would that do to your income? It's a fantastic way of making just a little bit extra money. Everyone could really do with making just that little bit extra to help them pay their bills so that they're not struggling. It could be a holiday, it could be 2 holidays in a year. I've used it personally. I've been away twice in the last 6 months. I've used my affiliate marketing earnings to basically go to France where I went to Rennes, and then I went to Alicante in Spain in December just before Christmas, which was all paid for by YouTube, but that's in a completely different video altogether. So if you found this video of any use whatsoever, I must get you to just smash that thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Tell us whereabout you are in the UK, and if you're interested in starting affiliate marketing, I'll give you the best advice that I can through the comments. I will reply to all comments that are in the YouTube video. So it's Barry Livingston of Barry Livingston's Digital Supremacy Lifestyle. I shall see you on the next video tomorrow.